Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by opening an elevated command prompt because you need administrative privileges to change core network settings. Once done, list adapters so you know exact interface names. This prevents accidental resets on the wrong adapter. Make sure to close VPN clients and temporarily disable third-party firewalls because they can block commands. You'll also save any ongoing work. Resetting network may briefly disconnect you. Now that tools and permissions are ready, proceed to the command sequence I'll guide you through. You now run the core reset commands in order to restore Windows networking components. First, type netch winsock reset to fix socket layer issues. This addresses many application-level connection failures. Next, run netch int IP reset and include the reset log to rewrite TCP/IP registry keys, which corrects corrupted stacks. Once those complete, run ipconfig/release, then ipconfig/renew to get a new lease, and finish with ipconfig/flushtons to clear cached name lookups. These steps rebuild and refresh your network stack. You finish by rebooting the computer because many resets require a restart to take full effect. Once the machine restarts, verify connectivity by checking the network icon and pinging your gateway, then 8 to confirm external reachability. If you still lack connectivity, make sure to update or uninstall and reinstall the network adapter in Device Manager. Corrupted drivers can persist after resets. One key troubleshooting tip: temporarily disable security software and retry, since it can block DH.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.